Let me show you the secret to becoming the data and spreadsheet hero of your sales team. On Coefficient's website, you can find a free gallery of some of the very best Google Sheets and Excel templates that connect to live sales systems like Salesforce and HubSpot. On these templates, we've predefined the most important metrics that sales operations specialists are tracking. We've built charts, tables, and more views to make it even easier to track these metrics week over week and month over month. Here you can see a few of our templates that are available for free online. But today we're going to take a closer look at one of my favorites, the Salesforce Pipeline Analysis template. Simply drop your email in this form and you'll get a free copy saved to your Google Drive. And just like that, here's our dashboard. At the top, we have some high-level charts showing us, for example, how much pipeline is being generated each month and how that compares to last year, which is shown with this dotted line. It also tells us how much we've won in sales and what our win rate is and how those compare to last year at the same time periods. And finally, it'll show us our sales monthly velocity, which essentially tells us how quickly deals are moving through our pipeline. If we scroll down, we get a bit of a breakdown with the actual raw numbers that were used to put together these charts. And this is a great way to track real-time numbers as they shift. At the top, we have these handy filters that are predefined, so we can look at a specific opportunity type, like new business or existing business. We can also filter on a sales team or even an individual sales rep. As you can see, this dashboard is connected to my live Salesforce CRM. I can always manually update it by clicking refresh, but to make this even more powerful, let's open Coefficient from the top extensions menu, and we'll set up an automatic refresh schedule. So whether I'm working that day or not, this dashboard will always be live for anyone who's depending on it. We'll simply click into our import, and we'll apply a refresh schedule. This can be once a day or even every single hour if we want. And we'll just click save once we're happy with the setup. There we go. This is just one tab in this sales operations dashboard template. I encourage you to check out the other tabs. We have an annual sales performance dashboard showing a high-level summary of which regions and industries you're selling best into, as well as a sales to target dashboard, which can be very useful because, as we all know, it's difficult to maintain and track sales targets or quotas directly in Salesforce. I hope you find this template useful. Please take a look through our entire gallery at coefficient.io.